A circle has center O and points R and S lie on the circle. In triangle ORS, the measure of angle ROS is 88 degrees. What is the measure of angle RSO in degrees? Okay, let me draw a circle over here and mark the center O here and the points R over here, S over here. Now let me connect the center O and the point R and also the center O and point S. Now let me connect the 2 points R and S on the circle. Here I got the triangle ORS and we have the information, that is the measure of angle ROS is 88 degrees. Here we have the angle ROS, its measure is 88 degrees. And let's consider the two line segments OS and OR. Both of them are radii of the circle, so they must be equal in length. Now this triangle ORS is an isosceles triangle because two sides are equal in length. In an isosceles triangle, the two interior angles which are opposite to the sides of equal length must be equal in measure. So this interior angle and this interior angle, both of them are opposite to the sides of equal length. Then these two interior angles must be equal in measure. Now let me assume X as the measure of angle RSO. Then what is the measure of angle ORS? This one also must be X because both these interior angles must be equal in measure. Now let's add the three interior angles of this triangle. Then we have x positive, 88 degrees. In any triangle, the three interior angles will add up to 180 degrees. Now let's solve for x in this equation. When I combine this x and x, I am getting 2x. Then we have positive 88 degrees equals to 180 degrees. Let me subtract 88 degrees from both sides of this equation. Then this positive value, negative value will cancel out. I am getting 2x on the left side. When I simplify this one, I am getting 92 degrees. Let me divide both sides of this equation by 2. Then this 2 will cancel out. I am getting x on the left side. When I divide 92 degrees by 2, I am getting 46 degrees. We know that this x represents the measure of angle RSO. Therefore, the measure of angle RSO equals to 46 degrees.